Hello everyone and welcome in Source Code Planet. This is the first episode of Making Pixel Art web app. I'm using Sublime Code Editor and Google Chrome web browser. So let's begin. The language is US English. Characters encoding is UTF-8. And the title is Pixel Art. Save it as pixelart.html. And now, set box sizing to border box and user select to none. I always include borders in elements dimensions to avoid recalculating each time I add or modify borders. Let's start by adding two labels. One for the width and the other for the height, and two inputs of type numbers. Min value is 5, max is 40, and the default value is also 40. Add the table element to represent pixels by cells. Let's add some IDs. Here are the width and height input elements. Let's get rid of cell spacing in the table. Let's add the thin black border. And make the width and height of each cell 10 pixels. Get their DOM objects, the table and the two inputs, of course. And now we handle the onChange of both inputs. Sorry. So we add as much rows as the height and cells as much as the width. Okay, let's check. We need to generate the content when the page loads too. So we call onChange function when the window loads. Good. That's it for this episode. See you in the next one.